Hi, I'm Peter Dallows. This is a lightning tour of Pobshell. Pobshell's a shell like Bash, but for live Python objects instead of files. It maps your Python objects and their members into a virtual file system. Here I've got some code that creates a list, defines a class, and creates an instance. Then it starts Pobshell. And hello, you have a Pobshell prompt, and here are your variables in the root directory. If you know Bash, you already know basic Pobshell commands and navigation. ls with -l gives a long listing with types and values. Let's cd into the Creosote instance. Now we're in a directory populated with Creosote's attributes. ls lists them. ls-a includes hidden objects, just like Bash. Pobshell gives you a bunch of commands for inspecting objects you meet. Pobshell also has recursive search. This search lists objects which have code that matches a regex. This isn't plain grep, it's recursively walking live objects. The first match is Pobshell's root object, because it has the calling frame's source code. This one finds objects whose str representation contains mint. Now let's make the meals list our current object. It's a list, so its attributes are list methods. Here are the first lines of their docstrings. Pobshell directories can contain contents of collections such as lists, either instead of attributes or as well as. Now ls-l shows list contents with indices as backtick names, because list indices aren't valid Python identifiers. Pobshell pipes nicely to normal CLI tools. And here's command substitution, sending live object state to an LLM. Let's end with a tree command, which helps with visualizing APIs, packages, or complex data structures. Here's a diagram of all the letter E's in our list of strings. I'd love your feedback. Thank you.